Hello everyone, this is a how-to video on the mud kitchen again. So we're going to take this part 2, there'll be another part after this. We're going to take this one off here, we're going to glue it, make it a little bit stronger than it needs to, and then, yeah, so obviously there'll be a series of this because this thing is taken off and re-put back on. This whole thing here needs refixing back on, so all this here needs coming back off and on. So we'll do that in another video together, but at the moment we're just going to do this. So, how are we going to put screws? So those are how big the screws were, and now the screws that we're going to be using are just a tad smaller than them. Now what we want to do is, now that we got this board off, so when we come to put it back on, we can get it level about there. So we're going to put a load of glue on this now, and then we will screw this back on. Put some glue above there. Put some down here. Yeah, like that, perfect. So now I'll show you, now that we've got all the glue on, now here comes the difficult part. If you made a mud kitchen design like this, then you all know how difficult it is to get on. You want to get it back level, is it very level? We need the extra screw, I think. We'll put the extra screw in as they're non-longer versions. I just think it's not, but it is what it is. So we need to get the top one in first. Anywhere. Need to make sure they're perfect.